In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send emails to customers on Shopify quickly and easily. Whether you're announcing a new product, sharing updates, or building stronger customer relationships, Shopify makes the process simple. So let's get started. First, log into your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you're on the home page, look toward the left side menu and click on Customers. This section contains all the customer profiles connected to your store. Now, browse through your customer list and select the customer you want to contact. Click on their name to open their profile page where you can view their details, order history, and contact information. Inside the customer profile, locate their email address and click on it. Shopify will automatically open an email composition window, so you can begin writing your message directly from the dashboard. Next, enter a subject line for your email. Make sure it is clear, engaging, and relevant to the customer. A good subject line increases the chances of your email being opened. After that, type your message in the text area provided. Try to keep your message friendly, professional, and personalized whenever possible. You can use this feature to send updates about orders, promotions, discounts, or important store announcements. Before sending the email, take a moment to review everything carefully. Double-check the subject line, message content, and recipient information to make sure there are no mistakes. Once you're satisfied, click Send Email and your message will be delivered directly to the customer. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to send emails to customers on Shopify. Keeping in touch with your customers regularly is a great way to build trust, encourage repeat purchases, and improve the overall shopping experience. Thanks for watching and happy selling.